Here we are in sunny Van Hills dyeing a 17-year-old carpet that's cream, very badly stained, and lots of bleach marks here, you can see here. And we're going to give it a makeover by turning it to a dark taupe. The owners decided that rather than replace the carpet at the cost of $16,000, that this would be a great option. I need to say at this point in time that whenever we dye a carpet, it should never be compared with buying a new carpet. Nothing beats new carpet. However, when the carpet's relatively, because you can see how that bleach stain is covering over here now, when the carpet's relatively in good condition, giving it a makeover is absolutely fabulous, because it means that not only are you saving money, but you're also helping to save on landfill. There are so many kilos of carpet that go to landfill because there's nothing that it can be used for. So think about that next time you're looking at what to do with your carpet, because when your carpet dies, of course, you're saving money as well as helping to reduce landfill. Bye.